Oh. Oh. Oh, honey. Oh, girl. Yeah, all my clothes are too big for me. They're too tiny. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, Nanny. Oh, girl.
Marley.
Oh, no.
Marley.
Come here.
Marley.
Oh, come here. Darling.
Hey, fidgety bum.
Oh, dear. Hey, honey.
Oh, she wants to be fed.
Okay. Oh, down, darling. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Nums. Hiccup. Oh, chew. Yeah, chew.
What?
Take it to Hiccups, and so does my sister. Yeah. Oh. Poor girl.
I gotta get dressed, yeah.
Poor girl.
It's baby girl. Peekaboo.
See, I show you my sister Hiccup, which is on the boob.
Can't put that on.
You can't put that on Facebook. No.
The smile. She just had new mister.
I got it.
What is it?
I got it. Hi, honey girl.
Oh, boo, boo, boo.
I'm such a good baby. Mommy's going to buy me all kinds of ponies. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, this is way too big.
No. Hi, girl. Say hi. Oh.
Wesley.
Hiccups. I think I got her sneezing too. I think I did. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, such a good girl. Are you okay? Well done.